No stairs, no ladders, no problem with Spika Design and Manufacturing's Terra Work Platform Series. Enter from the safety of the ground, then raise and lower to work at any desired height. Available as a mobile or stationary unit. Each Terra Series platform is built to specification, capable of vertically traveling up to 8 feet or higher. Height adjustability can be controlled from the deck or on the ground with a control pendant. Telescopic legs at each corner provide unmatched stability during all stages of extension for confidence while working. In addition, all Spika work platforms are tested to 4 times the maximum intended load. Spika's customization process creates perfect access solutions for 100% fall prevention by tailoring the size and shape of each deck to meet the demands of the job at hand. Optional deck extensions provide added convenience and overreach when necessary. Improve task performance with folding, on-deck tool trays, and other ergonomic upgrades. Stop improvising and start innovating with access solutions tailored to your goals with Spika Design and Manufacturing's Terra Work Platform Series.